Well, it's time for another St. Francis Cheyenne County Cruisers Car Show. It's 2021, May 8th, and I've got 3 other car club members behind me going to the show. It's going to be interesting. The weather is talking about rain, potentially damaging hail, which scares all of us. But it's not exact, and we don't know where it will hit us, if in fact it does anything. So 4 cars total from Colorado are headed to the St. Francis, Kansas show, and we decided that if it does look bad, we will duck under car wash awnings or a bank awning or something like that. The show goes from noon to 4 today, and all of us are going to head to Goodland, Kansas for the way back. One of us is planning on staying overnight. I've got an overnight bag just in case I don't feel like I can make the trek back all in the same day. Got up kind of early today, but we're on our way to another show. I certainly hope that the cruisers keep doing their shows. They're old guard volunteers kind of said we'd done that enough as of last year, and in the last few weeks have got some new volunteers to help plan the show. It's not going to be as elaborate as previous years, but it's still going to be a show and have food vendors, and so we're going to give it a peek and see how they do. So we have a show.
After the car show, my car club members drove on to Goodland, Kansas to recharge our cars and to have a little bit of dinner. On the way back from Goodland to Colorado, there was one of the most horrendous storms I've driven through, and one of our car club members was able to catch an overturned trailer on the side of the road.
Manual recording will now start.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.